Many times when mediations are conducted, I find parents having this feeling that this is my child. No, you guys are co-parenting. This is not a war. You're raising a child together, so you need to be united. And when you look at the court cost that it takes to go to a trial, you might end up investing $100K in trial. I know cases where they invest $500,000, where this could have been resolved by a $5,000 mediation. At the end, that money could go towards your own children, towards your own purchasing a new house. And now there's more anger, there's more frustration, less open communication. That's why the court system insists of you trying to mediate before moving forward, because it doesn't help the couples. At the end of the day, this is the person you had a relationship with and you had a child with. So maybe you're angry now, or you're both hurt at this stage. 10 years from now, when your children look back, when they look at that moment, they want to know, okay, you know what? Yeah, my parents separated. I don't remember the hatred.